Hi, my name is Yogi. I'm an experienced model from Dubai. I'm here to share some healthy tips that can improve your day to day lifestyle. Make no mistake, I'm not here to talk to you about a specific ingredient that you should or should not eat. Because, firstly, please understand your body. Understand that every body is made up of different chemical components. Every body has a different metabolism. So, please don't have a herd mentality and follow exactly what you hear. Because all of us may have different needs. To make the rocket science simple, all this weight loss, muscle building is largely a play or a permutation combination of carbs and proteins. How you scale between these two or how you play between these two, it all depends on what is your desire. What do you want to achieve? It's not a rocket science again that if you want to achieve higher muscles, you need to have high amount of protein. But does that really mean that you cut down your carbs completely? No, that's not. You still need the carbs to make sure you have enough energy in your body. So that's an important item for people who want to do muscle building. On the reverse, if somebody wants to lose weight, yes, he can have proteins, but does that mean that he should completely cut down his carbs? Again, it's not the same thing. He needs to understand between what are good carbs and bad carbs and understand what his body needs, what is his metabolism, how is the body reacting to a specific amount of proteins or carbs, and then combine that with a normal diet. Most importantly, and most vital for everybody, never starve yourself because that's the worst thing you can do to your body. You can have small meals, a limited amount of quantity, in regular intervals, but do not starve. Make sure you're hydrated, have enough amount of water in between the meals. Depending on whether you are a male or a female, have a specific amount of water at least on a day-to-day basis. Reduce the amount of caffeine, reduce the amount of alcohol. This again is very simple if you can follow your ambitions. Now, again, one more important aspect of a day-to-day lifestyle is have enough sleep. Because lack of sleep reduces the amount of testosterone and the growth hormone. These two ingredients are very important whether you want to lose weight or build your muscles. One more aspect you can follow on a day to day basis is what our ancestors used to say. They would always ask you to eat slowly. Why is that? Do you know that every human body is overeating for a few minutes until the brain is communicated by the stomach that it's full? There's a particular chemical called cholecystokinin that the body releases to communicate to the brain saying that it's full. Until that communication reaches the brain, every human body is overeating. Hence, please eat your meals slowly. Sweat yourself. It's important for a human body to sweat every day. Make a particular exercise a part of your lifestyle. Every human priority should be to take care of your own body. Of 24 hours that you have, all we're asking is 40 minutes minimum on a day to day basis. If you can have a workout done, you can remain much more fit eventually when you grow at the latter part of your life. And every exercise should not be monotonous. So if you're bored from a gym, take a break, play with your kids, go out, go on a bike, go on a trek, go hike around, go swim, play squash. There's so many available options that you have that you can never say that I don't have enough means to exercise. Another aspect is cheating. Cheating in a diet is not good on a regular basis. But unlike human life, on your diet you can cheat once a week and then make it up the rest of the week. But do cheat once if you want to. Don't eat right before your bed or your exercise. Make sure there's a couple of hours gap in between all these things. If you're bored, try to find company for any of your activity, any of your exercise. Your friend, your girlfriend, your sibling, anyone could be helping you in any exercise to make it more fun. And last tip for the day, get tough, shut up and train. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel, The Mega Model. And if you like the tip, please like and share. Thank you.